Assalamualaikum guys, today we are going to work with simplifying algebraic fractions. In this topic, the first thing that you must understand that what do we mean by algebraic fractions. Here we have x squared plus 3x minus 18 is the same way that we have our quadratic equations. We have ax squared plus bx plus c. So we have x square value, we have bx, and then we have c as a constant. Simplifying algebraic fractions is we need to factorize them, we need to find the factors of these, and then we will simply write them in groups and we will sort it out. So the first step in these kind of equations is I have a very simple method. You must understand that you have to multiply this x square with this negative 18. This is a trick that will help you to find the factors of this. Now look, I'm going to draw this thing here, and I will write x squared minus 18 makes negative 18x squared, and I will work with the first equation here. We'll work with the numerator only right now. When I multiply two numbers, I should get negative 18x squared, and when I add or subtract them, I should get 3x. So now first thing you should calculate is you need to find out which two numbers multiply to give you 18. We know that 9 times 2 makes 18, but 9 minus 2 or 2 minus 9 doesn't give me 3. The second option is 6 times 3 makes 18, and if I minus 6 and 3, I got 3 as remainder. So I can work without. Let's see, I'll write 6 and 3 here. I will write x and x. Now the most important thing that you should understand with this question is that here we have negative 18, which means one of the values is negative, while this smaller value is positive, which means that bigger number doesn't have to be negative. If I put negative 6 and positive 3, I will get negative 18, but negative 6 plus 3 gives me minus 3 as my answer, which I don't want. I want plus 3 as my answer. So what I will do right now is I will simply put negative sign with the smaller number and positive sign with this number. So I will rewrite this as a fraction, in factors now. So I will write x squared as it is, plus 6x, negative 3x, and negative 18. And I will draw a line under it. Same thing I will do with my denominator now. So for my denominator, I have the same thing. I'll multiply this with this. So I got 30x squared. And I will draw this line. I will write 11x here. Two numbers that multiply gives me 30. Two numbers that multiply and gives me 30. And plus minus gives me 11x. So 30x squared and 11x. So what I will do, I will write here 6 and 5. Now look at it, since both are positive, I don't have to write negative sign with any of them. 6 plus 5 makes 11, 6 times 5 makes 30. I will write x here, plus 6 plus 5. So this x squared will come as it is. Now plus 6x plus 5x plus 30. Now I will take common x in numerator, x plus 6 as my first number, now negative 3, and then x plus 6 as my second number, x common again, x plus 6 here, now plus 5 common, and x plus 6 as my factor here, common. Now if you notice, we have x plus 6, x plus 6, x plus 6, and x plus 6. So this means we got all of them in the same values. Now what I will do is I will simply write x minus 3 as one value and x plus 6 as the other value. In the denominator, x plus 6 as x plus 5 as one value and x plus 6 as the other value. Now when I got these two here, I know that I can cancel this and this. So eventually my answer is x minus 3 over x plus. As per the question, when they asked me simplifying algebraic fractions and they told me that I have to simplify this to the lowest term, simplify fully, I got this as my answer. I hope I explained the question well. For any confusion, leave the comment and I will get back to you on that. Thank you very much.